Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel Money Magnet. Today, we're delving into the captivating story of Andrew Tate, a name that has captured both fame and controversy within the online realm. From his rise to prominence to the sources of his income, we'll be exploring the intricate path that led to Andrew Tate's substantial wealth. Let's dive right in. A name that shines. Andrew Tate's prominent online presence places him above well-known figures such as former President Donald Trump and YouTube sensation PewDiePie in search engine statistics. Yet, beneath the surface, a wave of controversies has led to bans across several social media platforms. Despite these setbacks, the 35-year-old has managed to amass both followers and critics in the millions, carving a path of exceptional financial achievement. This achievement has been a constant throughout his career, demonstrating his ability to maintain relevance and generate substantial wealth despite the challenges he's faced in the digital realm. The journey begins. Andrew Tate's journey commenced long before he adopted the persona of Top G. His initial claim to recognition was as a professional kickboxer, where he achieved remarkable success by securing world championship belts in not one, but two distinct weight categories. This early athletic accomplishment set the foundation for his subsequent ventures. While his path later led him into the digital realm and controversial online persona, Tate's kickboxing achievements reflect his commitment and skill in a completely different arena. These accomplishments also underline the multifaceted nature of his career trajectory, showing that his influence and success transcend beyond his online presence and into the physical accomplishments that shaped his journey to prominence. Infamy in reality TV. Tate's path to notoriety took an unforeseen turn when he became a contestant on the widely watched reality TV show, Big Brother, in 2016. His participation was marred by the emergence of a video recording showing him striking a woman. However, Tate swiftly offered his perspective, contending that the video was misunderstood and that the act in question was consensual, suggesting that the context had been misconstrued. This incident showcased the power of media scrutiny in shaping public perceptions and brought to the forefront the complexities of navigating fame in the digital age. It became a pivotal moment in Tate's public image, setting the stage for the controversies that would follow. Unveiling the income sources. Undoubtedly, the engine behind Andrew Tate's wealth is his brainchild, Hustlers University 2.0. This ingenious online school provides a diverse array of courses strategically crafted to empower subscribers with the knowledge to rapidly generate income. At present, the platform boasts an impressive count of over 100,000 concurrent students. Each of these students invests $49.99 per subscription, collectively propelling Tate's earnings from this venture to an astonishing $5 million and beyond. This financial phenomenon exemplifies the contemporary appetite for accessible, actionable information in the quest for financial success. With its considerable reach and substantial revenue, Hustlers University 2.0 serves as a testament to both Tate's entrepreneurial acumen and the ever-expanding landscape of online education in today's digital age. But there's more to Andrew Tate's financial portfolio. The Tate brothers delved into the webcam chat business, introducing MyFreeCams to the equation. This platform caters to users in search of interactive sessions and live webcam performances, showcasing the Tate brothers' penchant for diversification. Here, models find their compensation augmented through user-generated tips, fostering a symbiotic relationship between creators and consumers. The success of MyFreeCams underlines the ever-evolving nature of the digital marketplace, where unconventional ventures can yield substantial gains. By tapping into this niche and facilitating an interactive experience, the Tate brothers have harnessed an unconventional revenue stream that complements their other entrepreneurial endeavors and contributes to their overall financial prowess. Andrew Tate's income is bolstered by his investments in casinos in Romania. While the exact financial figures remain undisclosed, these casino investments form another intriguing facet of his diverse portfolio. Leveraging his financial acumen, Tate's involvement in the casino sector reflects a shrewd approach to capitalizing on varied revenue streams. This strategic maneuver further showcases his ability to navigate and capitalize on different industries, contributing to his overall financial success and reinforcing his reputation as a multifaceted entrepreneur. A bold claim and an arrest. In a recent attention-grabbing move, Andrew Tate sent shockwaves through the online community by boldly declaring himself a trillionaire. However, amidst this audacious claim and his apparent success, a dark cloud cast its shadow. The narrative took a grim turn as serious legal charges emerged. In December 2022, Tate's world was upended when he was arrested in Romania on grave charges including human trafficking, rape, and organized crime, all stemming from his involvement in the cam-girl business. This dramatic twist in his narrative underscores the complexities of fame and fortune, juxtaposing his self-proclaimed trillionaire status with the stark reality of his legal battle. In the aftermath of his legal entanglements, authorities took a substantial step by seizing Andrew Tate's assets, notably including his opulent possessions, a Bugatti Chiron and a Rolls-Royce. This significant setback could have been a blow to anyone, but in characteristic fashion, Tate responded with his signature humor. Sharing light-hearted videos on social media, he demonstrated his ability to navigate even the most challenging situations with a touch of wit. This display of resilience in the face of adversity not only showcases his distinctive persona, but also highlights his aptitude for adapting and finding humor even in the midst of trying circumstances. Continuing amidst challenges. Despite encountering bans across numerous social media platforms, Andrew Tate's resilience shines through as his diversified business ventures persistently yield substantial revenue. His ability to weather such challenges underscores his adaptability and strategic acumen. Whether navigating through controversies or celebrating achievements, Tate remains a prominent figure in the dynamic online landscape. His capacity to maintain relevance and generate revenue across various sectors showcases his multifaceted entrepreneurial spirit. This narrative of persistence showcases that while external circumstances may change, his commitment to his ventures and his unique approach to both business and personal branding ensure his continued presence and influence, making him an enduring player in the ever-evolving digital world. And so, we've traversed through Andrew Tate's transformative journey from moments of triumph to periods of turmoil, from amassing wealth to navigating controversies. His multifaceted strategy of diversifying income streams and his unapologetic persona have consistently thrust him into the spotlight, undeterred by challenges. His ability to weather storms and sustain his presence showcases not only his determination but also the ever-evolving nature of his brand. Despite the hurdles, Tate's narrative remains a testament to the resilience and adaptability required to succeed in the complex and ever-changing landscape of the digital age. We hope this deep dive has provided insight into Andrew Tate's world. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more engaging content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring.